Do you guys run a cleaning between shifts, Glenn?
Perfect question. At the end of the first shift, for the last 15 minutes, we wipe down all of the machines, all the touch points. And we've made our own wipes. It's actually pretty cool.
Really?
We had one apprentice, fantastic, Nancy Bouteau. I don't mind mentioning her name. She came in, she said, Glenn, I got this great idea. And she took some of our shop towels and she cut them in half. And the shop towels are it's like a paper towel, but it's really strong. And she puts, 3 tablespoons of Clorox and then a little dish soap in there. And she takes the entire roll and puts it in a bucket and it absorbs all of that. She mixes it up. And in doing so, it creates a sanitary wipe. And we use that to wipe down all of the work areas and touch points. So that's 15 minutes at the end. And then the rule is when you come on the shift, whether it's first or second shift, the first 15 minutes you wipe down. So we have like a double cleaning just in case you missed something on second. First we'll wipe it down, and then at the end of second they'll wipe down, and then the same thing goes with first.